welcome back to my channel. Today topic is Agnipath scheme, Fire Warrior. Tour of Duty Style scheme approved by Government of India 14 June 2022. Recruitment for soldier below rank of commissioned officer into 3 service armed force. All recruit will be hired only 4-year period. Personnel recruited under this scheme under the called Agniveer, which will new military rank. Introduction. Scheme has been criticized lack of constitution and public debate. Scheme was implemented September 2022. This scheme will bypass many things including long tenure pension and other benefits which were then old systems. Opposition party India have criticized and expressed concern about consequence of new scheme. They have asked for scheme put hold on the scheme with discussed parliament. Recruitment in Indian Army under Modi government, year of soldier 2015 to 16 71,804, 2016 to 17 52,447, 2017 to 18 50,026, 2018 to 19 53,431, 2019 to 20 80,572, 2020 to 21 0, 2021 to 22 0, 2022 to 2023 0, 2023 to 2024 13,000. Overview. Agnipath scheme was approved by Indian government in June 2022. It implemented from September 2022. Announced it was done by June 14, 2022. Scheme both male and female aspirant age group of 17.5 to 21 years of widespread protested against the scheme. Central government raised upper limit from 21 to 23 but only recruitment for year 2022. Recruitment through scheme it be twice a year. Indian Army, Indian Navy and Indian Air Force. Post available are below officer cadre. The Agnipath scheme only route of serve in military. The recruitment named Agniveer serve for tenure of 4 year include training 6 months followed by 3.5 year deployed after retirement from service. They will have the opportunity to apply continue armed force not more than 25% of total states. The retiring batch will be selected permanent cadre. Personnel who retire after 4 years serving will not be eligible pension but will receive a lump sum amount of approximately 11.71 lakhs at the end of the tenure. The Indian government plan to recruit 45,000 to 50,000 new personnel every year through this scheme. September 2022 46,000 youngsters are planned to recruit through the scheme of on July 17, 2022. Jammu and Kashmir Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha announced 10% of reservation in Jammu and Kashmir Police Service. Those are who retired after serving military under the Agnipath scheme. Background. Period to introduction scheme. Soldiers were recruited into armed force. 15 years of tenure with lifelong pension. From 2019 to no recruitment for armed force was done. 3-year Indian government cited COVID-19 pandemic in India. For this meanwhile 50,000 to 60,000 soldiers continue to retire annually, leading to personal shortage had begun affect of operation capability armed force. 2020 tour of duty scheme was proposed. Voluntary recruitment into force civilian enabled them to join 3 years short service. Proposed scheme was trial basis. It was planned to start with the test group. The scheme will not be include long tenure pension or other benefits that exist old system. Individual aspiring to join armed force were disappointed with the rules. The new scheme main causes concern that short length of service, no pension provision, those released yearly. Under the 17.5 to 21 year age restriction, many of the current aspirants were returned ineligible service to Indian Army Force under these new rules. Before the introduction of new scheme, recruitment Indian government did not produce any white paper. Scheme was neither debated parliament nor parliamentary standing committee and differs. No information about scheme was given to public prior to announcement by political parties and activities. Hindu editorial asked scheme to put on hold and stated soldiers job now turned to contractual employment. It might not innovative and motivative aspirant hope of the job security pension to honor. Argument and defense should not be treated deployed and guaranteed employment. The scheme theoretically impressive but the fact of from manufacturing of employed by the soldier sector play critical role in the economy. Country like India where unemployment remain major policy challenge. concern cannot be dismissed easily and government also faces very credible charges in this, nothing more than cost cutting plan. Opposition parties in India have asked scheme to put on hold the scheme discussed parliament. Communist Party of India Marxist CPI-M is stated that strongly disapproved by the Agnipal scheme that does disservice of the Indian national interest. Professional armed force cannot be raised by recruiting soldier on contract period of 4 years. This scheme save Bunsen many severely compromised quality of efficiency of our professional armed force. Indian National Congress called the scheme neither interested of the country nor security and has asked to roll back of the scheme. Congress leader former MP Rahul Gandhi said, when India faces threatened to front of uncalled Agnipal scheme, reduce operational effectiveness, our armed force BJP government must stop compromising dignity, tradition, value and discipline of our force. On 27 June said they used to talk one rank of one pension, now they have to camp up to no rank no pension. He further said Chinese army people liberation army sitting on our land and accepted to army sold at the strengthened. When there was war result, this will be evident they are weakening army, it harmful country and they call themselves national just like form of the law and we repealed government will have to roll back Agnipal scheme. Congress leader Territorial Army Captain Sachin Pilot appealed to central government not to show advance and immediately withdraw the new army recruitment scheme Agnipal for wider declaration of to avoid recurrence of the agriculture law episode. He said current has been placed permanent turmoil over the past year under the rejection of Agnipal scheme. Unemployment and economic and agrarian distress have been led by fierce risk. Samajwadi Party President, former Chief Minister Uttar Pradesh Akhilesh Yadav called scheme negligent potentially fatal for country future. RLP chief said that people returning after 4 years service would causes gang war and country. After media briefing, Railway Service chief leader opposition Rajya Sabha Mallikarjuna Kharge said first time 70 years of service chief are being fronted of defense and defense policy decision by the government. Chief Minister Raj Pratap Yadav said Prime Minister diverted attention from Sena Army Shiva Sena deferring the deduction of the few MLA from Shiva Sena. Trade Union Fund farmer also pledged their support nationwide protest. Agnipal scheme. Amarjit Kar, General Secretary of All India Trade Union Congress said Narendra Modi government steering the policy decision over the last 8 years had been caused great suffering ordinary people. National President Bharatiya Kisan Union said Agnipal scheme political issue, army chiefs should not be politics. Wherever army has done politics have been cop off. Don't put the wrong tradition. Retirement of defense personnel. Retirement of defense personnel. Paramveer Chakra Captain Bang Singh spoke out against scheme saying would be have been more debate and discussion for the briefing scheme. It make little sense to bring such a sweeping changes without engaging all stakeholders. However, now we have must avoid the watch now the scheme takes the effect. His tweet was later deleted from the with some sources pointing toward pressure from the Indian government. Admiral Arun Prakash, former chief naval staff, said scheme will be difficult implement unions and try service. He further said present form suitable only army whose larger infantry compound not excessively and burdened with the technology. In case Navy and Air Force must be recognized by at least 5 to 6 year record from the new entrant and acquire the enough to handle experience entrusted with the operation. Lethal weapon system and complex machinery and electronics. Lieutenant General Raj, former Vice Chief of Army Staff, had already raised opposition against the move when they was serving the same kind of scheme fit for the low risk organization. We are trying to out of defense force, we are risk very high. I only hope or pray of the no war there is going war. You don't expect the man who was already looking beyond 4 years to be committed by external can lay the life his life, he said. Lieutenant General D.S. Hoda, former General Officer Commanding in Chief, Northern Commander, oversaw the surgical strike of September 2016. Noted during interview takes lot of time. My experience last 4 to 5 years. People trusted work on the system there were own individual capacity for 4 to 5 years. Your actually under the senior person, no airman, no air warrior, sign history. Clearance of home aircraft going to fight. Similar for Rider anti-aircraft missile system and so on. I am sure similar thing goes on naval system to do, so that right time of 4 years when they are ready to exploit their full potential. You are asking 70% of people to, and you get the now lot coming in, and you have to start from the scratch. Lieutenant General Vinod, former Director General Military Operation DGMO, spoke to media, also made his opposition to move clear. The hope of the Agnipath success sake of the nation armed force. Agniveer government will need to take ownership to ensure succeed process of invisible high risks. Later to say, I am paratrooper. Former Director General Military Operation DGMO spoke to media, also made opposition. General GD Bakshi came down heavily against proposal, stating he was Agniveer scheme tough to initially trial become done by pilot basis. Across the board change convert to Indian Armed Force, short tenure quasi-conscript force like the Chinese, referring Chinese People Liberation Army. God's sake, please don't do. Appealing to center, not a destroy institution. Continue to let us destroy our institution. Time to great threat from China and Pakistan. Air Vice Marshal Manmohan Bahadur has argued scheme radically departure from methodologies used to Indian Army. Over 2 centuries of decade of Indian Air Force, Indian Navy, any changes he suggests should not be done by incremental step by step. Brigadier V. Mahalingam, former Commander Mountain Brigadier, former Force Commander NSG Black Cat Commando, said that will degrade the army ability to win war. Unfortunate decision make over our fought war known as that mean to exercise command control when bullet and flying when you have to assault well prepared position. Wing Commander Anupam Jain, Indian Air Force, said spinless general are falling over each other to oppress government. Ex-army Jawan also slammed scheme, quoting, don't experiment with the army, what joining gangster with the after 4 years. District President ex-serviceman Warfare give him fixed compensation that his family will not get any pension or any benefit. Why should anyone willing to die under these circumstances? By state government. 30 June, Punjab Legislative Assembly passed resolution recommending state government urges Union Government of India immediately roll back the scheme. Resolution opposed by BJP member Assembly who were minority and minority of Punjab was only state to pass this such scheme. Data employment. Data from general body response for rehabilitated retired military personnel show the state central public sector unity including different PSU, Central Armed Police Force, CFE have been able to recruit again vacancy reserved for public sector bank, Central Public Sector Unit, CAPF reservation 14.5 and 24% respectively. But June last year, the ex-servicemen constituted by only 1.1% group of C strength and 0.3% of group D strength, 94 of 170 of CPSUs. Picture of more dismissal central ministry taken into consideration between 32 central ministry, only 1.60% of 22,168 positions reserved by veteran have been filled. Instead of Indian Railway, one of the world's largest employee, good only 1.4% of 16,264 out of 1.1 million positions reserved from retired personnel of the armed force. 10 defense PSU where the central has announced 10% of reservation Agnipath scheme veteran by constitute only 3.45% of 2.71%. Group C and Group D post of the respective even parliamentary force have been shown much interest hiring veterans. June 2021, only 0.62% of position reserve veterans have been filled. 5 wings paramilitary force, Border Security Force BSF, Central Reserve Police Force CRPF, Indo-Tibetan Border Police ITBP, Shastra Simapal SSB and Central Industrial Security Force CSF. Recruitment exercisement Indian Armed Force, a central government. Organization Central Public Sector Unit, Public Sector Bank, Department Central Government, Central Armed Police Force, percentage 0.30%, ex-servicemen Group D and 404. They have been also unable to find job military returns and instead of in 2020, Bihar, UP, Punjab, Haryana, which is cumulatively about 80% of Indian Armed Force have been the only 5.5% out of 2 lakh veterans who had registered job. Re-employment ex-service in Indian Armed Force, India's largest state. Number of ex-servicemen registered for the employment. Total job jobs given. Percentage of Rajasthan 53,373 1415 2.6. Uttar Pradesh 86,192 1616 1.8. Punjab 60,772 1150 1.8. Haryana 29,275 534 1.8. Bihar 43,845 0.01. Protest on 14 June 2022. Soon after the announcement, scheme violence protest erupted several states. Indian Marine Army aspirant angry with the new scheme of called rollback and damaged property, including buses, train and scheme evoked mixed with reaction from the army veterans, mostly negative. On 15 June 2022, news of protest was first reported state of Bihar, where national highway railway tracks and were blocked. Protested on 16 June 2022, violence was reported. Aspirant burned down the train and buses, set fire train bags and Kaimur at the district, blocking train traffic and the traffic in some place. Later protested along violent incident were reported Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Haryana and other states. More than 200 trains were affected by protests. 35 trains have been cancelled and 13 trains were terminated short of their destination. On 17 June, protesters attacked by House of Deputy Chief Minister Bihar Renu Devi and mobs and young protesters went to rampage, set fire on trains and other property, after the which Bihar government ordered the internet shutdown and 18 districts. More than 325 people were arrested and Bihar in 250 in Uttar Pradesh. 12 trains were set on fire and movement 300 trains were affected. 214 trains were cancelled. 11 trains were diverted into 19 were terminated short their destination. At least one person was killed in protest. 19 years old protester was shot dead and Telangana. Internet was shut down under 12 district. Bihar BJP ruled Haryana. Massive protest occurred which angry protesters threw the stone and vehicle at the squatted railway track, stopped train movement and burned tires and Uttar Pradesh. Hundred of angry youngster protesters carried stick and stones, stormed railway premises, several cities and blocked highway and targeted private vehicles. On 18 June, protesters Bihar called the strike against the scheme. They clashed with the police and set fire at the several vehicles since morning in Bihar. Train service were stopped Bihar till 8 p.m. on 18 June. They will be stopped again from 4 a.m. onwards. 19 June, more than 350 trains were cancelled across India and violence continued in several states. Chief Minister Rajasthan Ashok Galat and leading state council minister passed anonymous resolution calling the withdrawal from scheme. Kerala large protest march was held. Thiruvananthapuram Kozhikode against the scheme. Protesters said that strike would be continued till center of rollback decision and ensures justice. Among state worst incident, violence occurred Bihar where protesters trains on fire and attacked BJP leader office, home and car. 2 BJP MP, 8 BJP legislators including 2 deputy chief ministers were given third highest level of Y category security central government after approval Narendra Modi. Student organizations like Student Federation India SFI organs took massive rallies and protest several parts of country against allied anti-youth scheme. There will be protests Delhi, UP, Haryana, Rajasthan and other parts of country. SIF along with the Democratic Youth Federation India have called protest Jantar Mandar on 19 June. 19 June, Virendra Kumar, Chief Public Relation Officer, East Central Railway told media estimate damage of property still being made by but approximately upward Rs 700 crore property has been damaged. He also said 5 trains, 60 coaches, 11 engines have been burned. Railway preparing full report for damage caused property. Karnataka police lathi charge Agnipath protester. Karnataka anti-Agnipath protests were also reported from other part of Karnataka at the district of Patna district and magistrate said 23 FIR were registered and 147 arrests were made. He alleged involvement 3 coaching center and protested. Ludhiana police termed protest planned conspiracy. Ludhiana railway. Chief Minister West Bengal Mamata Banerjee criticized BJP-led central government alleging Saffron camp and was trying to create one armed cadre basis through the new defense recruitment program, terming the scheme insult to the armed force. Banerjee also wanted BJP planned hire Agniveer soldier watchman as part of office. Their 4-year service period BJP trying to create one armed cadre base through it scheme what will be after you 4 years. Party want to give the arms into the hand of youth and suicide. Assembly she also said BJP trying to 2024 Lok Sabha election by announcing such schemes. Haryana leader opposition of the far-reaching concern Desa have not been fully considered while preparing scheme in the long run policy would have been detrimental and impact of our national security alleged. Seems government compromising security country with the intention of saving money, salary, pension, gratuity and having strength of armed forces. Congress leader Kumar called new military recruitment scheme scam but ordered the protests against this should be peaceful. Bharat Bandh all India strike. 20 June country-wide strike named Bharat Bandh was called by protesting organisation demanding rollback of scheme call be made by social media without naming any organization. More than 600 trains were cancelled due to strike. Delhi Gurgaon Express saw the heavy traffic jam following call Bharat Bandh against recruitment scheme. Faridabad and Noida prohibitory order had been imposed. Prohibit assembled for 4 more person. Massive jam whereby the expressway near the border of Delhi police checked vehicle, internet and service shut down the more than 20 district. Bihar, Jharkhand all school were closed and heavy security were deployed and state of calls Bharat Bandh. Karnataka holiday was announced 75 education institution. Wake Prime Minister Narendra Modi visits state some attribute security concern due to ongoing protests and called Bharat Bandh. Section 144 was imposed. Some parts of state Rajasthan, Punjab, Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, Jammu and Kashmir. Aam Aadmi border leader of Malik undergoes arrest. Government Bihar suspended internet 20 district amid protest. Meanwhile, enhanced security BJP office 11 district. Bihar police developed Sastra Simapal personal and office BJP prepared on toward and incident. 21 June onwards, several protest marches were held into multiple cities. Samyukta Kishan Morcha has been supported protest and planned protest meeting 7 to 14 August. Response of government. Prime Minister Narendra Modi said India misfortune and good intention had dropped politics at 20 June. He said several decisions look unfair president and the present of decision will help the bulleting nation. Minister of Defense Rajnath Singh speaking at conclave said bringing revolutionary changes recruitment process armed force. Some people spreading misunderstanding about the maybe there would be confusion among the people in the new scheme. Chief of Army Staff Manoj Pandey reacted saying army aspirant against was result improper of information. Chief Naval Staff Hari Kumar speaking protest. It did not anticipate under protest like this. I think protests were happening misinformation and misunderstanding scheme. Chief of Air Staff Vivek Ram Chaudhary condemned violence and stated the last step of recruitment process. Police verification anyone involved they won't get the clearance from police. Additional Directorate Department of Military Affairs Lieutenant General Anil Puri reacting growing accusation said the aspirant need to prove that were not be part of protest. General Secretary BJP Kailash said Agniveer can get job as security guard. BJP's office video on the remark went viral. Several opposition parties condemned statement. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal respond country youth work hard day and night to pass physical and test and exam because they want to serve the country their whole of their life joining military not because they want join as God and BJP. Minister Tourism G. Kishan Reddy explaining training process press conference stated that people selected Agniveer would be given training skill under driver, washerman, barber, electrician, otherwise Minister of Sports, Youth Affairs Minister, Information and Broadcasting Anurag Thakur said after retirement from service, Agniveer will be considered appointment as physical education teacher in school. BJP MLA Hari Bhushpan Thakur termed thus protesting against Agnipath scheme is the nothing to do with the partition of the protesting against Agnipath scheme with be those are vested the interested and want to serve the nation and very happy the scheme of not job but service to the nation. People have sacrificed their lives for national security advisor India Ajit Doval on 21 June said scheme will not be rolled back. Plea of Supreme Court against scheme 3 failed were filed under Supreme Court of India June advocate by ML Sharma, Vishal Tiwari, Harish Sajay Singh against Agnipath scheme. Sharma alleged that government has quashed center and old